today's world of online shopping, running ads for your product is no longer an option. It's a necessity. Why? Because the competition is fierce and you require more than a great product to stand out. You need visibility. Here's the thing. Ads help you get in front of your ideal audience fast. But how do you know which types of ads work for your type of product? Where do you start? How does it work? Well, in this video, I will break it down for you. I will share the best practices for creating high-performing ads on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Plus, I will introduce you to PipiAds, which is a powerful tool that will help you find winning ad ideas and scale your campaigns like a pro. Let's get started. So let me share why ads are a game changer. Ads drive instant traffic. So ads can help you reach your potential customers immediately rather than waiting for organic growth and relying on algorithms. Then they help you target your ideal customer. So with ad platforms like TikTok and Facebook, you can target users based on their age, locations, interests, and behavior. And then it helps you scale your business. Once you know what works, you can invest more into your ad campaigns and generate consistent sales and revenue. But here's the catch. If you're not running ads strategically, you're wasting your money. That's why you need to follow the best practices and use tools like PipiAds to guide your entire strategy. So what are the best practices for ads on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram? First, you need to know your audience. So you need to understand who you're targeting. What do they like? What are their pain points? And what motivates them to buy? Use this information to craft your message. Next, create eye-catching content. On TikTok, use short, engaging videos. You can start with a hook in the first 3 seconds to grab attention. Think authentic, raw, and entertaining content. On Facebook and Instagram, use a mix of visuals like carousel posts, high-quality videos, and striking images, and keep your copy concise and focus on the benefits of your product. Highlight benefits, not features. So instead of saying this is a 500 milliliter water bottle, say stay hydrated all day with a lightweight, stylish bottle you can carry anywhere. Show how your product solves a problem or improves your customer's life. And then include a clear call to action. So always tell your audience what to do next. Shop now, learn more, grab yours before it's gone, take advantage of our newest offer, and so on. And then make sure to test and optimize. Don't settle for one ad. Test different formats, messages, and creatives to see what resonates best with your audience. Analyze your performance metrics like CTR, conversions, and cost per click to refine your approach. Now let me introduce you to PipiAds, your secret weapon for better ads. This tool can save you a lot of time and guesswork, because if you've ever wondered how to find ad ideas that have already worked for different people and for different brands and products, PipiAds is your answer. So PipiAds is an ad spile tool specifically designed for TikTok, as it helps you uncover successful ad campaigns, find trending products, and analyze a strategy of top performing brands. So think of it as a shortcut to creating winning ads. So how does it work? First, you can search winning ads. So it lets you browse a massive library of TikTok ads across different niches. Whether you're in beauty, fitness, or home goods, you can find ads that are performing well and see their analytics. For each ad, you will see key details like views, engagement, call to action, how long the ad has been running, and more. This data will help you understand what's resonating with your audiences. Then you can find trending products as well. So PipiAds is not just for ad inspiration, it also helps you discover trending products that are in demand, so you can build your ad campaigns around winning items and of course start brands with those types of products. And you can get competition insights. So if you want to see what your competition is doing, PipiAds lets you spy on their ads to get ideas and improve their strategies as well. Then you can also get ad copies ideas. If you're stuck and you don't know what to say in your ads, it provides examples of ad copy, hooks, and CTAs you can adapt for your brand. So the best tips for using this tool to grow your campaign results is to study successful campaigns first. So you can look for patterns in high-performing ads. So are they using humor, demonstrating the product, featuring testimonials? Apply those techniques to your ads. Then you can refine your targeting. So you can use PipiAds to identify which demographics are engaging with similar products. So you can tailor your targeting to match those audiences. And then you can focus on TikTok trends because TikTok thrives on trends. So you can use that to identify trending sound styles and formats that you can incorporate into your campaigns. And then you can combine inspiration with originality. So don't copy the ads exactly as you see them on the platform. Make sure to use it for inspiration, but tweak your content to reflect your brand's unique personality and the products that you're selling and your unique audience as well. So with PipiAds, you can start creating TikTok ads for short creative videos that go viral, Facebook ads for storytelling and detailed campaigns, and Instagram ads for visually appealing content like reels and carousel posts. So creating the right ads that deliver doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to study the market a little bit to really understand what's going on out there. And after all, the ads that have a good response from the type of audience that you're selling products to. So PipiAds is perfect for that. That is why I recommend checking it out at the link below. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out understand how ads work a little bit more and how you can start running successful ad campaigns, make sure to leave this video a like and subscribe down below for more videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!